how to make these great little snacks that I made for Girls Night In. It's just chicken wings, sweet potato fries, and potato skins with bacon and cheese. And I'm also going to show you guys how I made this quick and expensive wine spritzer. A girls' night in. I have a friend coming over and we're just gonna eat some good food and watch a movie. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna make for us to eat. So I'm gonna make some chicken wings, and here I already have the wings that have been washed and patted dry. And I'm also gonna make potato skins. So I have some potatoes in here, and I'm also gonna make sweet potato fries. But I have all my potatoes that have already been washed and also patted dry. Next thing is for the potato skins, I'm gonna need bacon. So I just got some real bacon bits here. And then I'm gonna need some cheese, and this is just a cheese blend that I got. And also for the sauce, for the wing sauce, I am going to need butter, hot sauce, some salt and pepper. And of course I had to add my own little twist to it. So in here I blended up some ginger and some habaneros to give it that extra little kick. And I'm gonna add this to my sauce. So those are all the things you're going to need. So let's get cooking. what you're gonna need for the wine spritzer. You're gonna need some type of wine. You're going to need some cherries. You're also gonna need Sprite and some ice and a container to mix everything in. This is an alcoholic drink, so please make sure you are 21 and over. If you're not, there are great substitutes like Welch's sparkling wines you can try. So now for the mixing part, I'm just gonna pour in the whole bottle of wine here. Then I'm gonna add some ice. And I am just gonna top it up with some Sprite. Now you can add more Sprite and less wine if that's what you like and give it more fizz. Now I'm just gonna put 2 cherries at the bottom of the glass. I prefer to put at the bottom, you can put it at the top of the glass. I'm gonna pour some of my spritzer in. And that's pretty much it. So hey guys, thanks for hanging with me in the kitchen today. So this is the finished product that we have here. We have potato with bacon and cheese and some sour cream on top. We have my chicken wings and we have some awesome potato fries which turned out. This is the first time I make sweet potato fries and they turned out really yummy. And then we have the drink right here. So thank you guys for hanging with me.